Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Dr. Monika Baden. I'm a palliative care physician from Malaysia, and also I went to KMC Mangalore with Dr. Sashi Kumar, who's my very good friend. And about 2 years ago, I discovered that was having progressive cataract in both the eyes that was impairing my night vision and my daily activities. So I decided to come to Salem and do my cataract surgery with Dr. Sasi Kumar. And I must say, he's done a wonderful job for both my eyes with the new uh, multifocal lens. And I can see very clearly now. He did such a great job. I'm so happy with his treatment and my recovery. And he is such a wonderful doctor who's looked after all his patients so well. And they come out with flying colors. So if you need any good eye care in the south of India, come to Dr. Sasi Kumar in Salem at Dr. Sasi Eye Care, and you'll get the best treatment ever.